Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Jayan Oliver. I am 35 years old. I have live-in partner. I have 2 kids. My daughter is 8 years old. My son is 7 years old. I am high school level undergraduate. I have an experience as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years. I do Arabic food because my employer is Kuwaiti. And I have 4 kids. I also washing clothes, ironing, cooking, marketing, and gardening. Mom and Sir, if you will hire me, I will do my responsibilities with love and dedication. I hope that I will be part of your family. I will treat your family as my own family. I will treat also your kids as my own kids. I am a happy person, motivated, honest, and hardworking. Thank you so much.